Hi, my name's Trevor Hutchins, bar director in San Francisco, and this is a public service announcement. A 50-50 martini is not half vodka and half gin. Get your act right. A 50-50 martini starts with great vermouth. So for this one, I'm starting with Silvio Carta. So 1.5 ounces straight in, starting with your cheaper ingredients first is always the way to go when you're building. Next, Nikka. So Nikka Gin, made with Fuji apples, has really beautiful apple notes that come through, which plays really well with some of the botanicals that are used in the Silvio Carta, which has sort of like this kind of vanilla kind of note to it. So that apple kind of vanilla play together works really well. The goal is to go with a vermouth that has some intensity in this cocktail. It's half of your cocktail, so you want something that has a lot of bold character. Chill your glass. And stir. When you're stirring, try not to put your hand holding the glass around here. Your hand will transfer heat into the cocktail, which is doing the exact opposite of what your goal is here. Your goal is to get this cocktail as cold as you can, as fast as you can, so you get the right dilution. So typically what I do is I have one sort of finger on top, and then I'm kind of testing it here and there with my pointer finger or whichever, just to see sort of the amount of cold transfer. Obviously, it sort of varies from mixing glass to mixing glass. If it's thicker, it might take a little bit longer, so you're gonna have to adjust based off of your own tools. You might see a little bit of lushing with a 50-50 just because it is a little bit lower ABV. So you might see some sort of cloudiness. That's not a bad thing at all. It's actually great. It's showing that there's a ton of botanicals and a ton of flavor coming out of this cocktail. Last, just gonna finish it with a little expression of lemon. This is how you make a 50-50 martini.